Hello everybody, this is Dean. I'm going to show you how to cook bacon this morning in a Ninja Foodi. This is really easy. It's easier than putting it in a frying pan. I start out with my little ration of bacon. This is like, I think, 7 strips of thick cut bacon wrapped up. I defrost a little bit at a time. Okay, so we open the Ninja Foodi here. Put the bacon on this grill here, fit it in there as best as we can. Okay, so now just close the lid, and then we're going to turn on the Ninja Air Crisp, and then since these are thick slices, I set it for about 11 minutes, let's say. Hit start. Okay, so we're getting about halfway into the cooking thing with the Ninja Foodi here. What I like to do is open it up and then flip these over, rotate them around a little bit, kind of do this, make sure everything cooks evenly. Close it, let it cook for the other 5.5 minutes or so. Okay, so we're down to about 20 seconds here. See how things are doing here in just a bit. I'm actually going to open it up a little better, a little quicker here. Yeah, those look pretty darn good so far. I think I'm going to add just a little bit more time here. Maybe put another minute or so on here. Okay, we're done here. Let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, I think those look pretty darn good. Absolutely.